So now let's see how you can work around with multiple windows inside of Google Chrome. So if I were to click and drag this, you can see that Google Chrome is actually one window right now. And if I were to type in wikipedia.com right here, then it opens that page out in this window. So I'm just going to go around and type in computer right here. So once I type that in, I got the computer page. If I were to click over here, another tab is created. So let's say in this one, I want to open up docs.google.com right here, but these are in two separate tabs. Let's say I want them to be in two separate windows instead of tabs. So in order to do that, I can click and drag the tab outside, and you can see that they are now separate windows right here. So similarly, if there's any link, I can right click, and over here you can see that the second option over here is open link in new window. If I were to click on it, you can see that it opens up the page in a new window. If I want to create a new window, then I can go on to the option for Google Chrome by going on to the three dot icon on the top right. And then here you can see that new window is an option right here. You can also press Ctrl N on your keyboard and a new window is there. So as you have many windows, you might want to reorganize them as tabs in a single window. In order to do that, simply drag the tab right here and then put it on the area where you want, put it on the window where you want the tab to be. So let's say I want this here, click and drag the tab right here, and you can see that now it is reorganized into tabs. Similarly, I can drag the tab from one window to another as well, and then reorganize every window as tabs as well. And that is how you can use multiple windows in Google Chrome to browse the web as well. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.